is an adjective clause? Let's break up the phrase. First, an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun. For example, in the following groups of words, the adjectives are highlighted in yellow. The expert dancer, the delicious food, the inquisitive doctor. A clause, on the other hand, is a group of words that includes both a subject, in green, and verb, in blue. The dancer knew every dance move. The food was eaten in seconds. The doctor asked many questions. So, an adjective clause is a group of words that includes both a subject and verb and is used to describe a noun. Here are a few examples. The dancer, who is an expert, knew every dance move. The food, which was delicious, was eaten in seconds. The doctor, who is inquisitive, asked many questions. A subject is the part of the sentence that carries out the action of the verb. The subject of an adjective clause is usually a relative pronoun. The most common relative pronouns are who, that, and which. When describing people, we use who or that. When describing things, we use which and that. The dancer, who is an expert, knew every dance move. The food, which was delicious, was eaten in seconds. The doctor, who is inquisitive, asked many questions. Some prefer the use of who when describing people, as the use of that is associated with things. However, technically speaking, there is nothing grammatically incorrect with using that to refer to people. We'll look more closely at these examples in part 2 of this video series on adjective clauses.
Amanda LeBlow, Assistant Professor, English Language for Academic Purposes, Montgomery College.
Subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for new videos.